downtown Sydney with Sydney. It's June, I think June 7th. There's a little chip truck there. One of the first nice days of the year here in Sydney. Construction going on for the new campus, NSCC campus. Give you an idea of where we are. There's this is the main line of hotels in town. That's the Cambridge Hotel in brown there, and Holiday Inn further down in the gray. This is the first skyway bridge of its kind here in Sydney. Huge campus. We've got two dogs at home, Sydney and Mocha. Mocha's very good with people. Sydney doesn't have much experience with it. And so, with having that lack of experience, she's a little bit timid around people, things like this. So I'm taking her out more often. Get down, get down. And teaching her not to do little things like that. Sit. Getting her to sit. Be a good girl. Good girl. All right, now we can walk in a few minutes here. Let's go. Come on. Let's go. Take it. Let's go. All right, this is the Cape Breton Farmers Market here. Open Saturdays, 10 to 2. I'm sure there are other farmers market on the island, but this is the only one I know of. Our local transit, Cape Breton Transit, goes all over the Cape Breton region, which is Sydney, Glace Bay, North Sydney, New Waterford. Farmers market here, and then up above is the old Triangle Pub. That's their seating outdoors there. And up around front is the entrance to the pub, right on Charlotte Street. So that's Charlotte Street up top. Lots of shops up that way. It's a nice little area to walk down. And then the NSCC is right on Sydney River, which is just where the ocean comes in, inland a little bit. The river itself from the ocean is maybe, I would say in total 5 kilometers. We're only about a kilometer or 2 away from the foot of the ocean, the mouth of the ocean, which is that direction. Sydney River flows that way, and that's the direction that we live in. We actually live on the border of Sydney River and Sydney. Currently, I'm in Sydney, right downtown. Parking everywhere still in this town. They're expanding a lot here, but parking is still very accessible, which is great. And there's no subway system here, it's just buses, so you still rely on your cars. The boardwalk actually begins here. I'm going to take you around this direction down the main street here, and we'll head down to the boardwalk around the back of maybe the Holiday Inn, or this is actually City Hall. Maybe we can go through City Hall. Good girl. Time and temperature check. It's about 5 o'clock, and I'd say it's about 20 degrees. Slight breeze going on. Have a look up to Charlotte Street there from Wentworth. Very nice sidewalks to walk on down here. Let's cross over here, Sydney. Come here. Come here. Slow. Good girl. Thank you. Good girl. So we're at City Hall now. Cape Breton proud, island strong. See, a lot of this going on around here. Very proud of their island. I'm getting there. I'm definitely starting to be a proud Cape Bretoner. I've got a lot more to learn about it here, but all the reasons we moved here are paying off. It's just fantastic. So. A little courtyard here at City Hall. And yes, the street is called the Esplanade. Possibly I didn't say that before. Take a second to recognize the flags. Not waving it all in the breeze, but got Nova Scotia, Canada, and I believe that's the Cape Breton Regional flag, the blue one there. But if it was blowing, it would help. Come on, Sydney. Come on. Slow, slow. Some kids on scooters got her excited. All right, so we're gonna go around back here at City Hall. Take the stairs down to where the boardwalk is. I believe this is just employee parking below us. And shipping. We have a cool spiral staircase right there. And then they've got maybe employee lounge area here. Let's go down these stairs, bid. Sid bid. Don't know why I call her Sid bid. Got a million different nicknames for her. Those are two of them. So, employee parking comes out to here. From what I remember, there's a restaurant around the back of City Hall. Could be the employee cafeteria too. It's that rounded building towards the back there. And we're here at the boardwalk. They line the boardwalk with Christmas trees in the winter, and companies will make donations to the trees, which ultimately goes to the city, and they get to decorate the tree how they want to, and it's kind of a fun project they do every year. What a day. So calm. So if we continue down this way, it's going to lead us to the marina, which I will tour with you another day, in another video. Today I will head towards the campus and go around the back end and head back to the car. She's wanting to go for a swim. You're not going swimming, Sydney. No. Lots of war memorials down here. Sydney Harbour played a key role in Canada's part of the war. Being so close to Europe, we brought ships in and out. England, Scotland. Most especially the Battle of the Atlantic. tulips are out. Sydney, come on. Sydney wanted to pull the tulips out. I had to pull her back from that. People whipping on scooters. You can see the campus. Just massive. And they'll most likely build something coming off of here. Hello. They'll most likely build a boardwalk continuing around the campus. Quite a bit of frontage up there. So I'm just parked. There's the old triangle. I'm just parked on the other side of the campus. Here at the Port of Sydney. Come on, Sydney. Let's show them the rest. And as we head up this pathway, it'll just kind of wrap up this little circle we've done here. It's about half of the waterfront. Looks like Sydney's gonna go to the bathroom here, so it's good timing to wrap this section up. I'll be back with you in a minute. And continuing on, we'll look at the construction. Looks like we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 stories. No basement, too close to the waterfront, I believe. Have lower floors. Went to the old triangle with my stepsister Carrie and her fiance Dylan. We had a nice meal there, Denise and I, last summer. I think I'll do a series of these videos covering different spots of town and send them out to family that would like to kind of see what's going on here a little bit. Come on. So in the next one, most likely I will do right down at the cruise port, and we'll also cover Wentworth Park, which is just down this way, and we'll cover the downtown core shopping area, Charlotte Street, in another one. So that's at least another 2 or 3 videos here that I'll get done. Maybe call it Walking Sydney with Sydney. There's a lot of changes going on here and growth. So it's worth recording because things will not look the same. I wish I could have captured this before the construction went up. Slow. So this truck here has been here since the day we started coming here, for 2 years. Fuzzy Fries. Shout out to Fuzzy Fries. It's always got a lot of customers.
Hi buddy, how are you?
I'm sure they do Mean French fry there. Hello. Running on a generator. And we'll head back to the car here. So that's everything. And come on, Sydney. Come on. Maybe just get a bit of a side view here of the rest of the campus. That's everything related to the campus part of Port of Sydney.